This is the elevator at the newly opened Allegheny City Stables Lofts in some neighborhood in the north side of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a brand new vertical express installed by WV Elevator. I didn't even know they installed vertical expresses. Badass classic with the glow LED. And there's no lantern. This has a lantern over there though. It doesn't light now. 4, call rec. Here we go up. Indicator's flashing on the camera, but not in person. There are 4. Back on the 1R. The toll phone button, of course, and second gen traditional call cancel. It's a basic, the bare stainless, kind of a cyan blue cab, which is kind of interesting. It's blue ThyssenKrupp style padding. Well, I guess this is TK elevator vertical express, not ThyssenKrupp technically, because this is actually a 2021, May 2021 install. TK elevator was in February, March 2021, so you're here about the 1R. I don't know why it's labeled 1R rather than just 1. His big brother, which apparently part of that was a violation when this first got inspected. Here it goes, isn't that? That's going to be it.